Another package. I can feel this is warm. A little bit careful. There we go. I'm surprised. This looks, for me, this looks like Italian food. Good morning guys, صباح الخير. How are you? عاملين ايه؟ كيف حالكم؟ الأخبار? Yeah, something like that. Welcome to a new edit on my channel, and today it's time to try more food. Because food is also my love food, and Egypt love food, and every Egyptian love food. So today it's time to try more food. Okay, so the thing is that I have already tried a lot of Egyptian food. But in the last video, I got a lot of comments and feedback from Egyptians telling me that I was eating the Egyptian food in a wrong way. Molokhia, eat with bread or rice. It's not delicious to eat it alone. We don't drink this green soup molokhia, we eat it with bread. If I were you, I wouldn't try it this way. What are you doing? It's a crime! Molokhia should be eaten with bread and hammam without bread. I'm so sorry. I didn't know I'm a criminal. And molokhia is being eaten with the bread. That is why I'm sure you have to find an Egyptian friends. Yeah, but they have Egyptian friends. Nobody have told me that I have to eat molokhia with bread. And the most funny thing I have to tell you is that I found a video of an Egyptian lady reacting to my reaction video. So it's like she's watching my video and she's reacting to me eating some Egyptian food. And it's super funny. Even if I don't understand all the things she's saying, it's so fun that she has made a video about me. And also she is laughing at me because I'm eating the wrong way. But anyways, that's the life as a foreigner in Egypt. Yeah. Okay, so the thing is that I have got a lot of recommendations on Egyptian food I have to try from Egyptians watching my videos. So, today I have made an order with MACARONI BASHAMEL, HAWAWSI, and also I have ordered honey with cream. It means honey with cream. And this order is from Tabali Bistro in Zamalek, and I ordered with Uber Eats, as always. Tabali Bistro. Okay, so this is the food, or this is the bag I got from Tabali Bistro. They have branches in Zamalek, Korba, 5th district and 5th district. They have 2 in 5th district. And this is from Zamalek. Alright. So the first thing I have here is this one. A small package. I like the package. The design is very smooth and yeah, it's nice. I like it. Another package. I can feel this is warm. The other one is not warm. And here it's a bigger one. Whoa. And this is really hot. But it's... Wait for it. And the last thing... a little bit careful. There we go. And also a fork. I think I just want to know what's inside all these packages. So here we have... Okay. This is at least honey, asu. Save this one to the end, because this is a dessert. I think I will start with the HAWAWSI. I think I will start with the HAWAWSI or something. I don't know how to say it. I think I got 2 desserts. So there are 2 different. Yeah. Yeah, so this is also a dessert. I will wait with this one. This is the thing. Look, it looks like a bread. This looks very nice. It's hot. Whew, it's very hot. As you can see, it looks like a bread with something inside. A little bit burned, but I think this is normal. It smells good. And there's a lot of oil or butter or something on the top of it. Maybe it's like a naan bread, I don't know, I'll try it now. Also, I don't know if this is like a side dish or if it's like a main dish, if I'm supposed to eat it with a spoon or with rice or with, or I don't know. So today I will first try to eat it with a spoon, a fork and a knife, and then I will try to eat it with my hands. So I have tried both. It's very crispy. Wow, I didn't expect this to be so tasty. But actually there's a lot of, it's meat inside. I don't know exactly what more they have put inside this one, but it's at least meat and the taste is amazing, I like it. Okay, I think I have to show you what's inside this one. Just a moment. لحظة واحدة. ثانية واحدة. Okay, so here you can see what's inside. Oh, I don't know if you can see it, but I think it's bread stuffed with meat, spices, maybe some cheese, butter, I don't know. This is how it looks like. I don't care actually what's inside, I just care about the taste, and the taste is nice. Thank you, and I hope I ate this HAWAWSI the right way. Who knows? Yeah, but I guess some minutes after I publish this video, I think I will know in my comments if this was the right way or the wrong way. Maybe it's a crime, also this one, to eat it with your hands. MACARONI BASHAMEL. I thought macaroni was macarona in Arabic, but it's hard to say, I don't know. Ooh. Do you think? Rayak fi macaroni bashamel. Actually, I think this is my favorite Egyptian expression. Rayak fi, blah blah blah. And you use it all the time, you Egyptian people, and I love it. And the most funny thing is when people use it in English also. That's something new for me. I have never heard this expression before in English, but when I came to Egypt, I was a little bit confused when people told me, what about the language? What about the weather? What about the Arab people? What about the food? I really love this expression. And this is how it looks like. For me this looks more like Italian food, but I don't think it is. I think this is an Egyptian plate. And this one I think is nice to eat with a spoon. Ooh. Wow, it's a lot of cheese. Wow, 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 wow. Wow. Wow, it's tasty. A lot of cheese, I promise you, there's a lot of cheese. It's like 1 centimeter with cheese on the top. Under the cheese you have macaroni, and you have some meat. And some spices, I guess, and I like it. It's kind of similar to some Italian dishes, but at the same time it's not. The taste is something I have never tried before, but here you have to eat like 1 centimeter of cheese before you come to the macaroni or the pasta. So I don't know. I think maybe I would prefer to eat this with a little bit less cheese, and then it will be perfect. But you have to know, I love it. But maybe it will be hard for me to finish all this because of all the cheese. I will be like, thank you so much everybody who have recommended this plate. It's one of my favorites now in Egypt. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I didn't know that it was possible to make a dessert with this Irish baladi, but as you know, and as I told you in the latest video, yeah, the Egyptian people, they love bread. So here they have made a dessert with some honey inside, honey and cream. Yeah, so I guess it's very sweet. Wow. Yeah, it's very sweet, and I have sugar on all my fingers now. Drops of honey, but I like it. The taste is very nice. I recommend you to use a plate like this when you're eating this, so you don't get the sugar on the whole table, because it will be hard to clean afterwards. The Egyptians are crazy. First, you eat this plate with a lot of cheese. I couldn't even finish the half of it. And after that, you eat a dessert with 1 kilo of sugar inside. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Also, I have another one here. Yeah. This looks kind of strange. It's also the same bread, but here they have put jam inside. Yeah, I think this is strawberry jam inside. And yeah, also some cream. This looks a little bit strange for me, but I will try. What can I say? It's okay. I prefer this one with honey and cream. This one it's a little bit strange. Maybe it's just because I have eaten a lot already, and when I came to this one I was already full, and I was kind of finished already. Khalas. I will give this 3 في 10. 3 في 10. 3 of 10 points. Okay? The other one with honey and cream, I will give 5 في 10. Maybe you think that's too little, and I maybe should have given it more, because I was like, wow, it's good. But I mean, I have eaten a lot of desserts here in Egypt, and this is not my favorite, but it's okay. So, comparing to the other things I've tried, I think this is like نص نص. 5 في 10. And then this one. Okay, so this one I will give 8 في 10. That means 8 out of 10 points. 8 por 10. So, I like it. Congratulations and felicidades and mabruk, alf mabruk to the person who have made this one. Also, I like this one, and I will give it 7 out of 10. I will give it 7 because there was a little bit too much cheese for me, but I like it, and 7 is also a very good score on my food rating system. Okay? ماشي تمام خلاص. What more can I say? Okay guys, so now the video is about to finish. الفيديو خلاص دلوقتي. شكرا جدا to all of you who are watching my videos. شكرا حبيبي. And I just want to say that if you like this video, it's very nice if you can press the thumbs up button, share the video, and remember to subscribe. Goodbye for now. مع السلامة.